The summer sizzle is back on. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. We are talking about temperatures near record highs for our day today on Wednesday. And let's show you what's going on our surface map. We have these southwesterly winds that are blowing into Wednesday and Thursday, but then northwesterly winds, cooler northwesterly winds come in for Friday. What that means is that we'll have a roller coaster ride of temperatures. We were 5 degrees below average for Tuesday. That got us up to a high of 70 degrees. For our Wednesday, we'll be near 90, and we'll stay about that for Thursday as well before we go back down. Unfortunately, for Memorial Day weekend, and look at that Saturday, 13 degrees below average. Will only be in the mid-60s for highs, feeling more like middle of April rather than the later part of May. Now here are our Wednesday morning numbers. Temperatures rising very quickly into the mid-70s. That's usually what happens when you get to 90 degrees for a high temperature. Now, we do have a lot of unstable air with this southwesterly wind. In parts of our area, especially along the Turnpike corridor, is in a level 1 of 5 risk for severe weather. Now, what does that mean? It's a fairly low chance that we actually see any severe weather, but a weak tornado, damaging winds, or flooding rains are all in the realm of possibility here, especially as you go later into the day today. Now, there will be 2 lines of rain that will try to come in. Here's the first line. The radar is saying, it's not really going to get into South Jersey. How about round 2? It tries, but not really going to do all that much. The point is that we're going to be mostly dry, but if you do see a thunderstorm over you, then the potential for severe weather is there. That's why we're in that level 1 of 5 risk for those areas that are well inland. I think the big story today is that it's a beach day here. It is a hot day, and it is even a humid day for us as well. Temperatures will be 91 on the mainland. At Atlantic City International Airport, our record high is 93 degrees. So we have an outside shot of getting that. In Millville, the record high is 91. Better shot of at least tying that. What's going to happen later tonight in some of the area, especially Long Beach Island and parts of Atlantic County, is the king tide, the naturally highest occurring tide of the year. It occurs near the full moon. Today is the full moon. It also happens when the moon is located closest to both the earth and the sun, which is happening this week as well. Now, just based on the king tide alone, water levels are usually very close to flood stage. So it only takes a little bit of an easterly wind to get us into flood stage. Now, we won't have an easterly wind for today, but we will have it later in the week, and I think we have to watch for coastal flooding then. Let's take a look at our Wednesday night numbers here. Again, that king tide is going to happen this evening. We do have a couple of thunderstorms during the evening, then it turns into just a couple of rain showers, and eventually we turn into a mainly clear sky as we go deep into our Wednesday night. Then for Thursday, it's a mostly sunny day, almost as much sizzle, but with a lot less humidity. And that's because of this, our northwesterly wind that is blowing in some drier air from Canada. Then as we go into Memorial Day weekend, here are my rankings. We'll update them as we go into the evening forecast tonight. It's a B for Monday, C+ for Sunday and Friday, and a C for Saturday here. That's an upgrade from Monday's forecast where I did have a D+. It just doesn't look to be the warmest weekend. And here's our rain that we're talking about. This is late Friday into early Saturday with a low pressure that goes near the shore. Couple of showers for our Saturday. And then for Sunday, even though this exact model is showing it's dry, there's still a few showers around. And with a northeasterly wind, I just don't think it's going to be the nicest day. Could be worse, but it's not the nicest day. So here's a look at the time that it will be wet. 40% for Friday. Most of this happens at night. Saturday, most of this happens during the morning. Sunday is more like a shower. Could occur at any point in the day, but I do believe by and large we will be dry. Here's a look at our mainland 7-day forecast. As we go into our Friday, temperatures will be in the mid-70s. There's your 63 on Saturday. Not the best, but we will recover as we go into Sunday and Monday here. Monday, not a bad beach day. Temperatures in the low 70s. Again, could be worse, but hey, good amount of sunshine and comfortable air. And yes, we're talking about coastal flooding as we go into Friday and Saturday. Good news, it should just be minor flood stage, so nothing too extreme. For the latest South Jersey weather, you can follow me on social media. And if you go to our website, thepartsofac.com/weather, you can sign up for my new and improved newsletter, which comes out every morning in your inbox.